Hello students, the topic is IP protocol or internet protocol. So basically the IP protocol is lying on the network layer. Whenever we establish a connection through the internet to any network, we are specified some unique IP or a unique number. This unique IP distinguishes us from the other devices. So now, first of all, let us discuss what basically IP is. IP or the Internet Protocol is the fundamental protocol for communications on the Internet. It specifies the ways or methods that how the user's information is packetized, addressed, transferred, routed, and received by the receiving devices over the other networks or network devices. So for all these purposes, IP protocol is responsible. So the definition of IP address is that IP address is a number identifying of a computer or another device on the internet. It is quite similar to the mailing address as we have discussed earlier, which identifies where postal mail comes from and where it should be delivered, right? So it tells about the source and the destination of the data transmitted within the internet protocol, right? So IP protocol is also similar to the mailing process or the postal mail. This is a bit representation that how IP address is assigned or how a computer connects to the internet. So here you can see that first a computer connects to the router using the TCP IP and ask for a local IP address. TCP is a transmission control protocol, and the router responds and gives your computer the local IP address 192.168.1.12, right? So it has given it the local IP address. Then it connects to the internet. Then the ISP assigns you the wide area network address, the WAN address. Then the internet gives access to your computer by entering the URL, and using the DNS is translated to an IP address, right? Then your TCP IP address packet reaches its destination and communicates with the other computer. It responds, right? So this is how your computer is assigned the IP address and then gets a connection to the internet. So we are having IP addresses of two versions. The one is IP version 4 and the other is IP version 6. So let us discuss what is the difference between both. IP version 4 is of 32 bits and IP version 6 is of 128 bits. So IP version 4 is the class based and IP version 6 is classless, right? So this was all about the IP version.